Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to the Karnataka YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. I'm back today with another session in your model paper. Okay, model paper number 3 solution will discuss in detail for PU2. As you know, a lot of things are going on right on our platform for all the subjects. Please go ahead and check the schedule, check the sessions available for all of you to help in your final boost for the preparation of PU2 board examination. Okay, so as you know, we have very less time, so I'll not waste a lot of time of yours. Quickly, we're gonna start the questions from the section A. Okay, if you have doubts, I keep asking all of you, if you have any doubt, you have to leave those doubts, the questions, the topics in the comment section of my videos. I'll take a live session and then discuss all of your doubts. I hope this works. Let's move on to questions. Question number 1, as you can see already over here, let's move on and solve from this slide. Answer all the multiple choice questions. Acha, one thing bacha, this question is incorrect actually. I want to say one thing before I move on to any question. Section A has 20 questions in it, 1 marker. First 15 questions are MCQ. Next 5 is fill in the blanks. All are mandatory. You cannot skip any one of them. Now this question is actually incorrect. If you take here is symmetric and transitive. If you do that, no, then the option is suitable. Which option is suitable, sir? Option B is suitable. How come, sir? Please check. If you want to make symmetric, no, I have 1 3. I need 3 1. What if, sir, if I add 1 2? If you add 1 2, you don't have 2 1 over here. Think about it. If you add 1 2, it'll be transitive, but it'll not be symmetric. We want both symmetric and transitive. Sir, how come, sir? But I've changed the question, that's why. Okay, for this given statement of the question, you'll not have any of the answer suitable. You'll have more than one right answer. Okay, that's what I'm saying. If you take symmetric and transitive together, what will happen? Your right answer will be option number B. Option number B, sir. Please check. 1 2 if you put, you'll not have symmetric. 3 2 if you put, you'll not have symmetric. 2 3 if you put, you'll not have symmetric. Because if you want 2 3, you have to must have 2 3 2 in this. So option number A, C, D doesn't give you symmetric relation. Hence, option B is the only correct answer. I hope this makes sense. Let's move on to question number 2, sir. Question number 2, sir. The graph of the function y equal to cos inverse of x is the mirror image. Inverse function, bacha, mirror image about cos x, right? About cos x. Sorry, cos inverse and cos x are the inverse function. Mirror image about y equal to x line. Y equal to x line. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Chaliye. Moving on. The value of the tan inverse of root 3 plus sec inverse of minus 2 is equal to. Very simple question. Let's solve it. Tan inverse of root 3, sir. Let me write the question first. Tan inverse of root 3 plus sec inverse of minus 2. This will become, bacha, simply pi by 3. This will become, sir, plus pi minus sec inverse of 2. Correct? What I'm going to getting? Pi by 3 plus pi minus, I'll have here pi by 3 again, right? Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2, sec will be 2. Actually, that's why sec inverse of 2 is pi by 3. You know the special angles? Okay, I'll become what? Please check. This and this is cancelled. Answer is simply pi. Answer simply pi. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Let's move on to question number 4 now. Okay. If A and B are matrices of order 3 cross 2 and 2 cross 2 respectively, okay, let's do it, sir. Matrix A is given order 3 cross 2, matrix B is given order 2 cross 2. Multiply this, sir. We'll look for the row and column to be equal. Multiplication, okay. Here, sir, number of columns should be equal to number of row over here, sir. It means AB exists. AB exists. What about BA, sir? If I write B first, sir, if I write B first, 2 into 2, and then I write, sir, A over here, okay, 3 into 2, compare these two, sir, not equal, sir, okay, means BA does not exist. So number of column over here is 2, number of row over here is 3, which cannot be the case in case of multiplication of matrices, hence does not exist. D, N, E does not exist for BA. AB exists. What about, bacha, B square? B square exists, right? B squared exists. Why, sir? Square matrix, no, 2 cross 2, I can take the square of that. However, in the case of matrix which is not a square matrix, it's a rectangular matrix, A square does not exist. A square, again, D N E does not exist. Think about it. 3 comma 2, then 3 comma 2. Again, not, bacha, same, not equal. So we'll have this also not the case. Let's look for the options now. A, B. Option A is correct. BA. which is defined, right? AB is defined, B not defined, A squared not defined, A plus B not defined. You cannot add it, right? For adding, bacha, what should be happening? The order has to be same. For addition, order has to be same, sir. Order has to be same. Is it the case? No. Hence, option number A is correct. Please check. Question number 4 is done. Moving on to question number 5. Sir, 4 was very simple, sir. Yes, it was. I have a very, very important announcement to make for all of you. Okay, we have launched our Abhyas KCET test series, as already all of you know. I have got very good amount of registrations. So a lot of students have enrolled for free trial. I hope that you have enjoyed the session. Give your feedback, okay? I'll tell you what. If you have enrolled for the free trial, no, let me know what you felt about after taking the free trial in the comment section of this video. Okay, let me know that. Okay, one more thing. If you have already purchased it, very good. If not, but just purchase right away. You'll miss a very good opportunity. Okay, do one thing, purchase right now for $14.99. It's a very good deal. I'm telling you, you'll not find that good a test series available in the market right now. Okay, anywhere right now for a KCET examination. Very thorough we are giving you so many features. 35 tests in that we are giving for free. If somebody is not knowing how to get the free test, you can just register for 0 rupees, bacha. Yes, right now you can register for simply 0 rupees. Once you do that, okay, you get access to 4 part tests from each subject: physics, chemistry, maths, bio. Each part test will have 60 questions. You get question paper. Of course, you get the PDF solution, as well as you get video solutions for each subject. Okay. Apart from that, you have detailed video solutions in the other paid tests as well. Okay, and analysis given to you chapter-wise, one-shot revision videos, chapter-wise insight for last 5 years for KCET papers. Okay, and bacha, one more thing, this paid part will be launched on 17th of March. If somebody is worrying, sir, on the platform that we are accessing, okay, I'm not able to get the paid test, bacha, that part will come. Even if you purchase, no, that will be live from 17th of March. Your boards are over by then we'll start the KCET test series. Okay, now one more thing, the best part I'll tell you about this, no, you'll get a live, actually you get to live, right, online platform will be there. You can choose the options. You can choose, let's say you have to attempt the entire paper live. That's the feature of this test series. We have made a platform like this. You get to attempt entire paper live. I hope you have seen the feature video where ma'am has come and discussed everything, that how will the platform look like, how can you attempt the questions. Everything is discussed, bacha, in that video. Please go ahead and check it out. Okay, so that is a very big benefit. You get to try an honest mock test paper. Okay, what good can come after that, right? And again, quality will be there. I'm telling you, just go through the free trial, and others who have taken, let me know how you felt. Okay, please purchase right now to have this benefit of offer launch. Then what will happen, the prices might go up, then you might miss opportunity, or you'll say, sir, I should have bought it earlier only. Okay, doesn't matter, keep this in your arsenal going for your KCET examination. Let's move on to your questions now. I know that's why you're here. You have less time, I understand that. Okay, the square matrix A is invertible if array this is, so sir, I'll close my eyes and pick the answer, sir. Close my eyes and pick the answer, sir. Answer is D. Invertible matrix, bacha, only possible if determinant A is not equal to 0, non-singular. If it is singular, means inverse will not exist. Why, sir? Inverse is defined like this, no, sir. Adjoint of A by determinant of A. If it is 0, then how will it exist? It will not exist, sir. It will not exist, sir. So of course, fifth question answer is option number D. Moving on to question number 6 now. Y equal to sine inverse of x root x. Derivative of this, bacha. What is the formula being used over here? Chain rule. We can use the chain rule over here. How do we use it, sir? Let's see. We'll apply first for sine inverse. Let me write it over here. First for, so like the function y equal to sine inverse x root x is there. I can write here power x power 3 by 2. Will that be okay? Please check. X root x power 1 times of x power 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 will be 3 by 2. Great. So x power 3 by 2 I have. Now find the derivative, bacha. I get here derivative. Now as I was telling you, chain rule is applied. First for sine inverse, sir. Then for x, sir. Then for x. Sine inverse formula is there, right? 1 upon root of 1 minus whatever is there for the value. You take the square of that. X power 3 by 2, the square. Is the question over? No, sir, we have to apply the chain rule. Excellent. Derivative of this part, bacha. So 3 by 2 will come over here. X power 3 by 2 minus 1. Polynomial formula, right? For differentiation. What do you get from here? 2 and 2 is cancelled. Okay. What I have simply this as, please check. It will become 1 upon root of 1 minus x cube. Okay. And this will be, bacha, 3 by 2. I'll have only x power 1 by 2 left, because 3 by 2 is 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5. How much is that? 1 by 2. If you're not sure, do the calculation from your side. If you're thinking that I went too fast, pause the video, do the calculation from your side, sir. My answer will come like this. Please check. 3 by 2 is the coefficient. X power 1 by 2 is nothing but root x. This is going to be 1 minus x cube, sir. 1 minus x cube, sir. So option number C looks right. Option number C looks perfect, sir. Not right, perfect, sir. Let's move on to question number 7. Excellent. Y equal to x power a polynomial. Okay, a power x exponential and a power a, confusing us, sir, constant bacha. Y equals to, I have x power a polynomial, a power x, we have here, sir, exponential function, and over here a power a constant function bacha. Let's find the derivative now. So this will become dy by dx a times of x power a minus 1. Whatever is the power, differentiate that. Simple formula, okay? No difficult thing over here. A power x comes with ln a, then I have plus 0. Any option like this, please check. A power x minus a minus 1, a power x ln a. Option B is right, no? Option B is perfect, sir. Please check. Option B. Let's move on to question number 8 now. Question number 8 now, sir. Okay, let's do it. Question number 8. 1 second, sorry. Consider the following statement for the given function y equal to fx defined on an interval okay, I. Chaliye, we have to find the statements, local maxima, local minima. We know one thing for sure, sir. You do one thing is find f dash of the function, okay, and put the c, it should be equal to 0. This is the condition, right, for the critical point. This is critical point. If the f double dash at c is greater than 0, I get, 1 second, I get minima. I get minima. What minima, bacha? Local minima. Why can't we say absolute minima? Because we have to check for the extremes also, na? The intervals extreme a and b, if it is there. We don't have that, so that's why we can't say local maximum. We can't say absolute. We have to say local only. Okay, great. This is local. Okay, local minima. If the derivative is negative, bacha, we say local maxima. Now check the options. We have f dash of c as 0, less than, so local maxima, correct. 0 greater than 0 means local minima. Both are right, na? Both options are right, bacha. Both 1 and 2 is right. So option A is correct, sir. Option A is correct, sir. This is the inflection point, no? Please check. We can't check. We have to check for next higher order derivative. Okay. Moving on, sir. Question number 9, bacha. If each side of the cube is x units, okay, the rate of change of surface area. Surface area of cube, sir, is given by 6. They've given the side, no, x, so 6x square. They are saying that rate of change of surface area with respect to side. Okay, let's call this to be variable a. They're asking, sir, dA by the side, so dx, correct, na? A is 6x square, rate of change with respect to the side. Okay, so we have taken here x, will become what, bacha? 12x, correct, right? 12x. Answer should be option number A. Can a question get simpler than this? No, sir. I don't think any question in the entire model paper 1, 2, 3 that we are solving third paper right now was simpler than this. Okay, chaliye. Question number 9th is done. 10th now. Statement, antiderivative. Basically integral of this is coming like this. No, sir. Big no. So bacha, this is going to be log of this part, no? Okay, this is incorrect. Derivative of this part, false, sir. Both are wrong. Formula, sir, do one thing, go ahead and check the NCERT. I keep telling you, remember the formulas, right? Very, very important. Derivation will come of one of these, so you have to solve it. Okay, so question number 10, both are false. Option D is correct. These are a standard formula. If you know the formula, you get the answer in less than a second. Chaliye, done. Move on to question number 11 now. The degree of the differential equation. Degree, sign is there, not defined, sir. Not defined, sir. So option D is correct. Blindly you take sign of the derivative. I have told you, polynomial in terms of derivative, not in terms of sine or log. Only polynomial in terms of derivative. This is sign of the derivative. Sign of derivative, bacha, not defined. Order is there. What is the order, sir? Order is 2. Degree is not defined. I'll repeat myself. Order is 2, degree is not defined. Very important. Chali. Question number 12 now. The position vector of a point which divides the join of the points which position vectors are, with position vectors are 3a minus 2b and a plus b externally. The word very important over here is this, externally. How do you solve it, sir? 1 second. How do you solve it, sir? Externally. The formula is what, bacha, if you remember? So R will be given by, please check, M, A and B is already used. I'll use here x, mx minus, let's say ny divided by m minus n. What is m, bacha, here? So m we know, m is 2. So m is 2, n is 1. And now what is value of x over here? The value of x will be, sir, actually, please check, a plus b vector, and y would be actually here 3a minus 2b vector, right? Let's use it in the expression. What I get? X equals to m times of, so 2 times of a plus b vector. Then I have minus sign. We have 1 over here. 1 times of what do we have? 3a minus 2b vector. Please check. So I'm going to end up with, again, divide by 2 minus 1. So R will come out as 2a plus 2b minus 3a plus 2b, right? That's all. Please check. We are getting here 2a minus 3a, which will become minus a, and we'll get here 2b plus 2b is 4b. So vector 4b minus a, sir. 4b minus a. Please check. This is done. 4b minus a. Option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. Is that clear? I hope this is clear. Have a look. Okay. Question number 13 now. If a vector A makes the angle with I cap means x component they have given, basically alpha is given as pi by 3, okay, and with j, so beta is given as pi by 4, right? Now with x component, y component, right? Alpha is with x axis, pi by 3, beta is with y axis, pi by 4, with z we don't know. So let's call this to be simply gamma, okay? Again, it's acute angle. They've given theta actually here. They're not asking us to take this. So we'll take this value to be equal to theta actually. Not a problem. Gamma, the angle is theta. Okay, with the z axis it is theta. How do you solve it, sir? We know this formula. So cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is 1. L square plus m square plus n square is 1. Okay, what we have? It's going to be cos of pi by 3 the whole square plus cos of pi by 4 the whole square plus cos square of theta equals to 1. Please check. Pi by 3 bacha is 1 by 2, na? Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 square is going to be 1 by 4. What about this? We get here, sir, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, square will be 1 by 2. Please check. Right now, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 square. 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2. That's why 1 by 2. And this will remain as it is. Cos square theta is 1. Alright. Now what I get, just take on this side. You're going to end up with, please check. Okay. This has to be 1 by 2 only, to make it 1. Please check. This has to be 1 by 2 only, sir. So from this, if you solve, no, you get cos square theta as 1 by 2, sir. Okay, no, not 1 by 2, 1 by 4 actually. Excuse me. 1 by 4, sir. Excuse me, sir. It's 1 by 4. Think about it. If I put here this as 1 by 4, it will become 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 2 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will be 1, sir. If you're not sure, do one thing, add this, subtract from 1. Add here, subtract from 1. Otherwise, understand this very clearly. If this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4. What is the sum? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 2 by 4, how much is that? 2 by 4 is, sir, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is again 1. Okay. So from here, we're getting cos theta value as 1 by 2. Okay, I can get both plus and minus, but we don't need that. We only need the value in 0 to pi by 2, I think. Yeah, so the value will be simply coming at theta as pi by 3, sir. Theta as pi by 3. Options are like this, no? Please check. C option is correct. Option C is correct. Simple question, not difficult at all. Question number 13 is done. 14 now. Find the angle between the lines whose direction ratios are given, A, B, C and B minus C, C minus A, A minus B. How do you find that? Well, like this, sir. Cos theta is equals to dot product of this and this, so A times of B minus C plus B times of C minus A plus C times of A minus B, and of course you'll have these two moduluses. I'm not writing it, you'll see why. Don't worry, don't have to write this. Okay, check this out. It'll become numerator, sir, AB minus AC plus BC minus AB. I get here plus CA minus BC. Again, I will not write the denominator. Please check. AB cancelled, BC cancelled, CA cancelled. Getting this as 0. So cos theta is 0 means bacha, 0 by anything is 0 only, no? That's why I'm getting this as 0. Cos theta is 0 when? Theta is 90 degrees. Answer is option number D. Option number D. Please have a look. I hope this is clear. Simple problem. 14th is done. Last question of the MCQ from your model paper number 3. If A and B are two independent events such that PA is 1 by 4, PB is 1 by 2, then P neither A nor B. So basically they are asking, sir, P A dash, okay, intersection with B dash. The independent events, no, we know this is going to be true. P A dash into PB dash. We have given PA as 1 by 4, right? So what is going to be bacha PA dash? Please check. It will be 1 minus PA, right? So 1 minus 1 by 4. How much is that? 3 by 4, right? Okay, so I'm getting this as, please check, 3 by 4. Same way for PB dash, I'll get bacha 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 minus 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2 again. Excuse me, 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so I get 3 by 8, sir. 3 by 8 bacha. Please check. 3 by 8 is the right answer. Option is B. Option is B. Moving on to question number 16. Again, fill in the blanks now. As I said, all 15 are important. Fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate answer from those given in the bracket. Okay, 5 cross 1. Let's solve the first one. The number of all possible orders of the matrix with 13 element. 1 cross 13 or 13 cross 1. Right? No? Please check. We have only two combinations over here. Either 1 cross 13 or 13 cross 1. We have two such orders. Answer is 2, sir. Answer is 2, sir. For the first one, answer is 2. Second one. Y equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, then the value of this will come out to be 0. Let's do it. Let's check this out. 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Okay. What has happened, bacha, if you take the derivative for the first time? I can solve it on this side. We have y equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. This is 16th one. Y equals to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Am I right? Please check. Yeah. Take the second derivative. So first we're going to take the first derivative, will come out as 5 cos x will become minus 5 sin x and minus 3 cos x. Okay. Second derivative which will become again will be minus 5 cos x and plus 3 sin x, because for cos it is negative of sin, right? That's why plus 3. Now if you check this out, I can write here y double dash as, take minus sign common, will become, sir, 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, which is same as y, correct, right? So I'm getting this y double dash as negative of y. Okay, what is the equation given as? They've given this as y double dash plus y. Take this on this side, equal to 0, right? Answer is coming as 0, right? Have a look. Please check. Second one, answer is 0, so third one, 18th problem, if the function is defined like this, increasing on 1 to 2, then value of a is greater than how much? Function is given. Let's solve this question. 18th one. What do we have over here? F of x is given as x square plus ax plus 1, I guess. Have a look. Yeah, increasing, they are saying to find the derivative, to find the critical point. You'll get it as 2x plus a. From here you get 0, 2x plus a, x is equals to minus a by 2. From here you put minus a by 2. On this side you'll have a plus sign, correct, no? We'll have plus sign only. If you put here this value, let's say I put simply a, okay? If I put 0 over here, it will become positive, right? Okay, it will become positive, right? If a is a positive number, it will become positive. If I put, let's say, anything after this, if you put, it will become positive only. You're looking for increasing value, so it will be minus a by 2 to infinity. Excuse me, I've made a very big mistake. open, sir. This has to be open, sir. Okay. Now compare with the interval they have given, 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Okay. So we don't know that actually. This part we don't know. We don't have a constraint on this side. Do we? We don't have, bacha. So if you compare this actually, it'll become what? Please check. 1 to 2. Compare this. You get this condition true. Means minus a by 2 has to be equal to 1. So from here what I'm getting? I'm getting a equals to minus 2. A equals to minus 2, sir. Minus 2, sir. Please check. A equals to minus 2, sir. Have a look. 18th is right. Okay. Moving on to question number 19th now. Integral of this mod x. Does it matter? Do we need mod x over here? We don't, sir. 1 to 2 mod x is always positive, no? 1 to 2 mod x is always positive, so it will become simply integration of x dx from 1 to 2. How much is that? X square by 2 from 1 to 2. Take 1 by 2 common. What I get? 2 square minus 1. How much is that? 4 minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 3 by 2. Answer is 3 by 2. Answer is 3 by 2. Please check. Clear? Okay. If A and B are any two events such that PA plus PB minus PA intersection B is PA, then AP by B, the given conditional probability over here is how much? Okay. Let's solve this. So I can get, bacha, one thing. They're given here PA plus PB minus PA intersection B is nothing but P of A. So this and this is cancelled. Okay, and I get this from here, PB equals to PA intersection B, right? Moving this on the other side, PA equals to PB equals to PA intersection B. Now write this condition, P A conditional probability with B has already occurred. Okay, I'll get this as PA intersection B by PB only, by PB. So they are equal, right? These two values are equal, right? It means I can cancel them. What is the value? 1, sir. The value is 1, sir. Hence the answer is 1, sir. Answer is 1. Please check. Okay. So I hope this is clear. All the fill in the blanks, all 1 marker. Moving on to section B now of 2 marker questions. Okay. So we have first question as, write the simplest form of tan inverse of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. We can use the half angle formula. Very simple. Please check. Extremely simple question, sir. Tan inverse, 2 marker question, tan inverse of, right, like this, 1 minus cos x, bacha, is nothing but 2 sin square x by 2, na? Which formula, sir? This one, bacha. Cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta minus, sorry, plus, okay, no, minus 1, excuse me, minus 1, and same way we also have this equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So if you write from here, no, I can move this on this side and this cos will come on this side, it will become 1 minus cos. So whenever you have 1 minus cos, you can write with the terms of 2 sine square half the angle of the angle which is given over here. So x is given, I have taken here x by 2. Getting it? Alright. Same way you can do for the denominator. It will turn out to be 1 plus cos. So if you move this 1 on this side, na, it will become 2 cos square theta. So 2 times of half that angle, 2 cos square x by 2. 2 and 2 is cancelled. What I get now, please check. Tan inverse of sin square by cos square is the root of tan square theta, sorry, x by 2, excuse me, x by 2 not theta. Okay, looks messy. I'll change that. I will change that, sir. Okay, excellent. This is done. Root of tan square will be positive. If I take only positive, it will become tan inverse of tan x by 2. Okay, right? Okay, so I'm going to get simply answer as x by 2, na, sir. X by 2 is the answer, so please check. Simplest form. Done. Moving on to the next question, 22nd one. Prove that 2 sine inverse of 3 by 5 equal to tan inverse of 24 by 7. Let's take LHS first. We'll take LHS first. How come, sir? Think about it, bacha. This will be easier if I had tan inverse over here, no? If I had over here tan inverse, life would have been simpler. Let's do that, okay? So with the help of sine inverse, I'm going to make this into tan. Sine inverse of 3 by 5. If I take this to be, let's say, x. Take this to be x. Okay, what I get? So sin x is actually 3 by 5. From where we get bacha? Tan x is nothing but, remember this, 3 by 4. Excuse me, forgive me, 3 by 4. Correct, right? How come, sir? How come, sir? Bacha, if this is the right angle triangle and this is the 90 degree, this is 3, this is the angle x, this is 5, means this has to be 4 only, na? This has to be 4 only, right? So 3 by 4 is the tan x value. Clear? Okay, so from here we get, basically, from here what we are getting, sir, please check. X equals to tan inverse of 3 by 4. From here we had x equals to sin inverse of 3 by 5. So basically I can replace the angle of x with the help of this value. So LHS actually will become, your LHS will change to 2 times of sin inverse, this value that I've taken as x, which will become simply 2 times of tan inverse of 3 by 4. I'll repeat this step if you're not getting it. I've taken this whole thing as x. I've taken this whole thing over here as x, and I'm getting this x as tan inverse. I'm replacing this whole thing by directly this value. Is that okay? What I'm getting, 2 tan inverse of x. What is the formula for this? Remember? So tan inverse of 2 times of 3 by 4. Okay? It's multiplication, okay? 2 times of 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 ka square. What I get now, please check. Tan inverse of 3 by 2 divided by 1 minus 9 by 16. So tan inverse of 3 by 2 divided by, I get here 16 minus 9 by 16. 2 8s are 16. Okay. So tan inverse of 3 by 7, right? By 8 is there. By 8, this 8 will go up. I'm going to get this as 8 is 24. So tan inverse of 24 by 7. 24 by 7. Correct. Now same thing is written over here, equals to RHS. Please check. Have a look. This is clear. I hope this makes sense to you. This part is clear, right? That's the most important part. Conversion of these two. Please check. Done. Question number 22 is done. 23 now. If fx is given as the function fx is given in terms of a matrix, okay, again a 3 cross 3 matrix, then so that fx into fy is nothing but f of x plus y. Okay, let's just solve this. Let's just solve this very quickly. No problem, sir. So if I write bacha fy, let's say, I can write fy simply by replacing x as y. So it will become, sir, cos y minus sin y 0 0 1. And I have here sin y cos y, same thing, 0 0 1. Okay, so they're asking to do what? Fx into fy. Let's just do it. So if I take LHS part only, which is nothing but fx into f of y, it'll turn out to be like this. Please check. I have this as cos x minus sin x 0, the 3 elements, sin x, cos x 0, and then I have 0 0 1. Let's do the multiplication quickly. What I get, same thing, I'm going to write cos y minus sin y 0 0 1, and then this is sin y cos y 0 0 1. Okay, so if you do this multiplication, what are you going to get, bacha? Please check. You'll have this element as, I'll need more space, so I'll just take some space on this side. Okay, I need to have some space over here, so let me take it like this. Please check. Cos x, I'll multiply this row with the first column. Okay, cos x, this will be one element. Okay, so cos x into cos y, so cos x cos y, cos x cos y. What is the next, bacha? Minus sin x minus sin y, so simply minus sin x sin y. This is again the first element itself, 0 into 0. You don't have to write that. So this is the first element, bacha. This, if I multiplied, I get the first element like this. Second element will be same row, second column. Okay, so cos x into sin y is this is the first element actually. Second element will be, please check, cos x minus sin y will be minus cos x sin y. Okay, what I get now, have a look. Minus sin y minus cos y, second element, no, minus sin y minus cos y will become again minus sin x, sorry, and cos y. Last bacha will be 0 into 0, so I don't have to write that. This is a bracket over here. This is the second element. Okay. Third bacha will get what? Please check. This into 0. This into 0 is 0. This into 0 is 0, and 0 into 0 is 0 only. Okay. All right. So if I write this very carefully, if you see only the, I'll show you the only numerator part. I'll not show you these steps. Not required. You'll see. You can do the multiplication from your side. Okay. I'll show you only this step. It'll become bacha. Please check. Very, very clearly you put your attention over here. Complete focus on this side. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. It's a simply cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B. Same thing written over here. Please check. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos of A plus B. Same way I can take minus sign common over here. Now check this out. What will become? Sin A cos B cos of and sin A cos B. Check here, sin, if I take here sin A cos B, it will become cos A sin B. Okay, nothing but sin of A plus B, sir. Okay, so this actually is becoming what, bacha? This whole thing is becoming like this. Please check. Cos of x plus y, this is becoming minus sin of x plus y, and I had this as 0. If you go ahead, cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y, that is 0. First row. If you go ahead and solve it, you'll get, what are you going to get? Again, you're going to get here sin of x plus y, and you're going to get here cos of x plus y, and 0, 1, 0, 0. Is this right? Please check. Yeah. Sin and cos. Correct. Now, if you compare, bacha, actually, if you compare the fx, check here. This is same, no? Cos sin 0, sin cos 0. Cos sin 0 with a minus sign of cos and sin cos 0. So same function actually. So can I not write like this as function f of x plus y? So when I replace this x as y, I got this term. I got this term. When I replace x as y, I got this term actually. Forgive me. When I replace x by y, I got this term. If I replace x by x plus y, I'll get what, bacha? I'll get this term only, no? Cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0, 0, 1, and sin of x plus y cos of x plus y 0, 0. Okay, so what we have proved, sir? We have proved this. Please check. F of x into f of y is turning out to be f of x plus y. Is it always, sir? No, for the given matrix. For the given matrix it is proved. Please check. Okay, do this step. Okay, you're gonna get this as 0, 0, 1, 0. Over here, what are you gonna get? If you do it, sine of cos, so sin x cos y, cos of sine, so plus cos x sin y will become sine of x plus y. It will become sine of x plus y. Please do it. What are you gonna get over here? Cos of x plus y. Do this multiplication. Not difficult, right? Okay, have a look. This is done. 24th now. Find the equation of line joining 1, 2, 3, 6 using determinant. Okay, the line like this. I have here 1, 2 over here, and here 3, 6. Okay, asking for the equation using determinant. We know determinant we can use, bacha, to find the area of triangle. If we have 3 points, we can do that. Let's say I take a point like this, point A on this with x comma y. This is, let's say, P, this is Q. So the triangle PAQ, what is the area, bacha? Area of triangle PAQ will be 0, sir. So half of the determinant of what, bacha? X, Y, 1, 1, 2, 1, and 3, 6, 1 will be 0. So why we are taking this, sir? But your equation means what? Relation of x and y, right? How can we get that? From this, if I find the area, I'll get the relation of x and y only, no? X and y is a variable. I have the constants. The value is known as for the coordinate 1, 2, and 3, 6. That's why I'm taking the area part. Is this statement correct? Yes, sir. So straight line. Area going to be 0 only. That's why I've taken like that. Let's solve it. What I get? Please check. X times of 2 minus 6 minus y times of, please check, 1 minus 3 plus 1 times of what I get, 6 minus 6 is 0. So giving me this value as 1 by 2 minus 4x, I get here plus 2y, excuse me, plus 2y, and this is going to be simply 0, right? Equals to 0. Is this clear? I hope this is clear. Okay, I'll write it again. 2y is there, bacha. 4x plus 2y. Now divide this. 2 times this will be again 2. This will be cancelled. I'm getting here minus 2x plus y is 0. It means y is nothing but 2x. This is the relation, or this is the equation of the line passing through the points 1, 2 and 3, 6. This is your final answer. Please check. I hope you got it. I hope you got it. Let's move on to question number 25. Salvi? Of course, sir. Okay. Differentiate this. I have told you this when I was taught you this in the KCET series as well. Whenever you see a function in the terms of power product, take the log. So write the function first. Y equals to x sine x. Now take log on both sides. You get here log y equals to log of x power sine x. This will come out as the coefficient. You get log y equals to sine x log x. Now do the differentiation. Okay, it will become 1 by y dy by dx dx. Okay, apply this product rule on the right side, product rule. So keep sine x as it is, differentiate log x will become 1 by x, take the plus sign. This time keep log x as it is and differentiate sine. We're gonna get this as cos of x. Cos of x, so not visible, I'll show you again, don't worry. I get here 1 by y dy by dx sin x by x plus cos of x, and then you have log of x. For sin x we get cos of x, that's why. Okay, what else? We want to take the y value on the side, bacha, because we are looking for only derivative. So answer will be, simply check this out, dy by dx equals to y times of, in the bracket, sin x upon x plus cos x times log x. Okay, we have the y. For the value of y, what we have, x power sin x, the other bracket will come again, sin x upon x plus cos x, and we have log x. This is clear? Please check. This is done, sir. This is done. Very simple question. Moving on to the next question now. Okay, this side we have to apply log to get the property of log, then simple was product rule. I know you all can solve this. Question number 26 now. Find the intervals in which the function given by f is equals to x square minus e power x square into e power minus x is increasing in nature. Okay, right here, for any of this, what we do is, first thing is find the critical points. For that, we find the derivative and put it equal to 0. So we have to apply the product rule over here. So let's do one thing. X square as it is, differentiate this, you're going to get this as e power minus x times of minus 1 for the chain rule. Exponential function will remain as it is, but differentiating this minus x will give me minus 1. Plus sign will come, keep e power minus x as it is, x square will become 2x. Will become 2x. We have e power minus x, x common. I'm getting this as minus x plus 2. Okay, let's take minus sign common. You're going to get this as x e power minus x, x minus 2. Put it equal to 0. This is a non-zero function, always a non-zero function. Okay, it means exponential function does not have to be part of your solution. Check this out. This function, right, will never be touching the x-axis, so never 0. Okay, so I'll take this as basically my critical points are 0 and 2. 0 and 2. Take here 0 and 2. I'm looking for increasing, right? This side will be negative first. How come negative, sir? Coefficient is negative, that's why negative. Okay, so minus plus minus, we are looking for, sir, increasing, right? So increasing when derivative is positive, we call function fx is increasing always. Okay, case over here is 0 to 2. 0 to 2. It's not saying strictly increasing, that's why I'm taking 0 to 2 closed. If they were saying this is for increasing, sir, this is for increasing, if they were saying strictly increasing, then I'll say what, bacha? I'll say 0 to 2 open actually. Excuse me. 0 to 2 open, sir. There's the answer. Difference is there, okay? If they are saying strictly increasing means you have to take 0 to 2 open. If they are saying simply increasing means I can take 0 to 2 inclusive. Means included, closed. Please check. Increasing in nature. Done. 26 is done. Moving on to question number 27 now. Okay. Find integration of x square plus 1 log x. What are we going to do, bacha? Apply by parts here. Please check. This is my function number 1. Function number 2. I let. Log has the preference. I let. So log has the preference over algebraic function. Okay. So let's do like this. What are you going to do? Integrate. First of all, keep the first function as it is. So keep log x as it is. If I take this to be, let's say, integration I. What I'm going to get? Please check. Okay. Don't have to take it actually, because I've already taken the function as I know. It looks confusing. So log x as it is, integrate x square plus 1 with dx. Now what are you going to do? There's a minus sign. Integrate the differentiation of log x. So 1 by x, and again integrate x square plus 1 dx with this whole thing. Integral again. Okay. Close the bracket. Looks confusing? Don't worry. Same integration, I'm going to take it over here. Don't be confused. This is the same thing. These two are same thing. I'm going to find this over here and take it directly. Have a look. What I'm getting now? I'm getting over here is simply log of x will become so x cube by 3 plus x. Okay. I'll have here integration 1 by x will become same thing. X cube by 3 plus x, okay, dx. Now cancel this with 2, this is cancelled with x, okay. I'm getting here x cube by 3 plus x times of log x, right? What next now? There's a minus sign. Integrate this x square by 3 plus x with dx, okay. I'm gonna get this as x cube by 3 plus x log x, okay. I have minus sign, x cube by, what I'm gonna get? Please check. I'll get another 3, so there's a 3 into 3 plus x, okay. I've taken x directly actually. It'll come as 1, bacha. This has to be 1 actually. This has to be 1 over here. Answer will be just x in this case, okay. And there'll be a plus sign, of course, plus c. My answer will turn out to be, please check, x cube by 3 plus x log x minus x cube by 9 plus x plus c. Done. Have a look. If you want, you can simplify this part, but not, right? There's a log over here. You can't simplify. Okay. You can take it common. No, sir. We can't. We can't do that. Okay. This is done. 27 is done. Moving on to question number 28 now. Okay. 28. So verify the function y equal to mx is the solution of dy by dx minus y equal to 0. The question is incorrect, so we have to change something over here. Let's do that. Either you write this x over here, x dy by dx, or write y by x, your choice. You can write here x over here or simply y by x. Okay, I'll show you both the cases, don't worry. So either you write, sir, x dy by dx minus y equal to 0. I write simply like this, dy by dx minus y by x equal to 0. Either this has to be there. You can't write like this, the given form. The question is incorrect. Okay, we have to change that. Some mistake is there. Let's do one thing. Write in this form. We have to integrate this to solve the equation. Becomes equal to y by x. We can apply the variable separable form. Apply the variable separable form. Very simple. dy by y equal to dx by x. Integrate on both sides. Giving me this value as ln y. This is equals to ln x and plus ln c I take usually, but in this case we have the constant as m, so I'll take this as ln m log of m. Okay, so what I'm getting the RHS side, check this out, ln y equals to ln, I have m and x with the log, means I can multiply that, so ln of mx, log and log will cancel the effect if you apply exponential function on both sides. Put here e to e, cancel the effect, it will become bacha y equals to mx, sir. Y equals to mx, sir, hence proved. Simple enough. Done. Please check. Very simple. 29th now. The distance between the lines are I2j minus 4k plus lambda this. Check carefully. You have only one vector b like this. Vector b is given as 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap, and your a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1. Where is a2 minus a1? Please check. This is a2, sir. This part is a2, sir. And this is a1, sir. That part is a1, sir. So let's do it. 3 minus I will be simply 2i. 3j minus 2j, so simply plus j. I have minus 5k of minus 4, so minus k. Minus 5k plus 4k, no, because subtraction is there, so minus k. We have to find what bacha? Distance, no? Formula is there, d equals to b cross a2 minus a1, the mod by mod of b. Okay, what I get now for this, please check. I'm gonna get this as first I have to find this value, so we'll have here as simply I cap, j cap, k cap with 2, 3 and 6 with 2, 1 and minus 1. Let's solve this. I'm getting here, this is going to be your b cross a2 minus a1, a2 minus a1, a2 minus a1, not visible now. I can change it, just give me 1 second. Okay, not looking properly, sir. I'm finding the vector bacha, the numerator part, b cross a2 minus a1, a2 minus a1. What I get now, please check. I'm getting here with I cap, of course, minus 3 minus 6, so minus 9, minus 3 minus 6, so minus 9, with minus j cap, what I'm getting bacha? With j cap I'm getting minus 2 minus 8, minus 2 minus 12, sorry, please check. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. I'm getting here minus 2, okay, for j cap, minus 12, so minus 14 I'll get. And over here I have with k cap, please check. With k cap I'm getting 2 minus 2 into 1 is 2 minus 6, 2 minus 6. Result is nothing but minus 9 I cap, 14, right? Minus 14 into minus 10 will be 14, so 14 j cap, and I have over here minus 4k cap, minus 4k cap. We want the mod of this value, okay? So my value will actually come out to be, have a look, d value will be nothing but, will be modulus of this part. So what I'm going to get this, please check, root of 81 for 9, we have 14 will be nothing but 196, plus for 4 I have 16, okay? And again we have to take mod of b, so it becomes, please check, 4 for 2, for 3 I'll have 9, for 6 I'll have 36, so 9 plus 36, 4 plus 9 plus 36, square of this, right? So what I'm getting now, please check, 81, so 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 3, carries 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 1 is 11, plus 8 is 19, carries 1, so 293 in the root. We can't take the factor of that, okay? What are you gonna get in the denominator? 49, so 7. Answer is this only, bacha, please check. This is the answer. D is root 293 upon 7 units, distance, na? So units, have a look. This is clear. Please check, simple problem, done. If you know the formula, you can get the answer. So formula has to be done, very, very important. 30th now. Now, bacha, we'll move on to your section C, part C, 3 marker. Let's check. F is x to y, be a function, define a relation R in x given by R a comma b, fi equals to fb. Examine whether R is the equivalence relation or not. Okay. Think about it. For equivalence, we need, sir, reflexive. You need reflexive, sir. Please check. For reflexive, what we need? This first part, for reflexive, it should be a r a. Of course, it means that f of a should be equal to f of a. That is true, right? So it is true, sir. Reflexive is yes. Okay. Next, bacha. What is next part, sir? For symmetric, please check. It means, sir, if ARB is there, what is the meaning of ARB? That f of A equals to f of B, then BRA also has to be there. Please check what is the meaning of BRA. F of B equals to f of A. You can see from here, it's possible, completely not a problem. F of B equals to f of A or f equals to f of B, same thing. This also is true, sir. So it is going to be reflexive and symmetric so far. Let's check for the transitive now. Part 3, transitive, let's check, bacha. So we have ARB, it becomes f of A equals to f of B, so that's not a problem. Then we have BRC, from here we have definition that f of B equals to f of C, and then if you compare these two, you're gonna get what, bacha? You're gonna get f of A equals to f of C, right? A equals to B, B equals to C, right? F of A equals to F of B, F of B equals to F of C. It means F of A equals to F of C. From there, what we're getting? We're getting, sir, nothing but ARC. So ARB is there, BRC is there, ARC is also there. It means this also is true, sir. Hence the given relation R is reflexive. Sorry, equivalence. The given relation R is nothing but equivalent. Equivalent. Please check. This is done. Since it is both, no, not both, all true, true and true for reflexive, for symmetric and transitive, the given relation makes sense for equivalence relation. Please check. Done. Moving on to question number 31 now. Okay. If x cube plus this is nothing but 81, find dy by dx. Very simple question. Let's solve it. Right here, this whole thing, x cube. I have to apply, no problem over here. I have to apply on this side as product rule. Here again, you have to apply the chain rule. So for this, okay, I forgot one term over here. I'll write it again. Excuse me. What I have, x square y plus xy square. Again, I have to apply here. Also product rule. Here, so last one I have to apply chain rule. Then 81 is there. That will be 0, right? Differentiation if you take, it will become, sir, 3x square plus, let's do for x square. We're gonna get this as y as it is. Simply 2x. Simply 2x. Okay. Then this is just for this term. No, we are doing the product rule for this term. So this is going to be x square. For x square we have 2x. Y will be as it is. This time we're going to take x square as it is and do for y. You're going to get this as dy by dx. All right. Chaliye. So this is done. From here, close it. Second bracket. Do for x. You're going to get this as 1. Keep y square as it is. Next time, what you're going to do? Differentiate after keeping x as it is. You're going to get 2y dy by dx. Dy by dx. Now this bracket is also closed. Now do for the last term. This will become 3y square dy by dx. Chain rule. 0, sir. Will be simply 0, sir. Okay, have a look. So my important step is to take this parts common, sir. Whenever we have this term and this term common, because we are looking for that value only. Let's just do that. Okay. So let's write here dy by dx common. What do you get from the first term, bacha? We have x square left. Second term, bacha, what we have left? 2xy. Okay. Please check 2xy, second term. From here, what we have? 3y square. Okay. Close this. Other thing which is left now, I have this term. So plus 3x square. Over here, I have plus 2xy. Okay. And over here, I have y square equal to 0. Check this out. 1, 2, 3 terms here, and over here also 3 terms, 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. Great. I'm looking for this value. So right here, dy by dx equals to, please check. This whole thing I'll take on that side. Will become negative of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square divided by this bracket, divided by x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. This is your answer. This is your final result. Please check. Let me know if you're getting it. Any disturbance solving it. Let me know if you are having difficulty solving it in the comment section. Have a look. I hope this is visible. Okay. 32 now. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 cm per minute. Okay. Okay, length is decreasing, right? So we'll write here dx by dt. Time is already given. Decreasing means negative. So minus 3 cm per minute, sir. And the width is increasing. So dy by dt is increasing, so positive. At a rate of plus 2 centimeters per minute only. Okay. X is given as 10. Write the value. X is 10. Y is 6 centimeters. What are they asking? Rate of change of perimeter of the rectangle. Okay. So perimeter will be given by 2 times of x plus y. 2 times of x plus y. Take the derivative of this. So we take here dp by dt. 2 is a constant. Keep it outside. We get here dx by dt. And then I get plus d by y dt. Right? Correct? No problem. So I get here, sir, dp by dt is nothing but 2 times of the values is known now. Minus 3 plus 2. dx by dt is minus 3. This is nothing but plus 2. So right here, minus 3 plus 2. How much is that? 2 times of -1, so giving me answer as -2 centimeter per minute, sir. This is the change in the perimeter, decrease in with respect of 2 centimeter per minute. The perimeter is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. Please write it over here. Decreasing at a rate of 2 centimeter per minute. 3 marker, please mention this answers, okay? Very important. You lose marks otherwise. Half mark you lose. Why you want to do that? Write this in the box and write this as your answer, okay? Perimeter is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. Decreasing, so negative. Have a look. 33 now. This is clear? 33 now. What do we have next, sir? Find the integral of this particular function. Simple question. Take this as integration. What happens actually, no, this question comes in exam with the 6 marker or 5 marker. They give you this and they give you another question with like sub-part of this. Part A of this, part 2, again they'll give you. Part A, part B. So integration of this 1 upon a square plus x square, of course with the x only. So do one thing. Take x as a tan theta. Differentiate to change this value of dx to d theta. You get here dx by d theta equals to a sec square theta, giving me dx as nothing but a sec square theta d theta, okay? Change this now, it will become, sir, I equals to integration of a sec square theta d theta divided by, I have a square, so write it as it is, plus x square will become a square tan square theta. Please check, okay? Now I can take a square common in the denominator. It will become a sec square theta d theta divided by, take a square common, it will become 1 plus tan square theta, okay? So I'm getting this value as, have a look, I equals to what I have, integration a sec square theta d theta divided by a square is there. What else I have? 1 plus tan square is nothing but sec square only. So right here sec square theta, this and this is cancelled, a with a is cancelled. What I'm getting now, I equals to 1 by a integration of d theta is left, integration of d theta is left. Answer will be I equals to 1 by a theta plus c. Theta plus c. What is theta, bacha? What is theta, sir? Please check. Theta from here, I get here x by a as tan theta. So theta is nothing but tan inverse of x by a. Put the value back here. I get the final answer as I equals to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Done. Please check. Done. 33rd is also done. Okay, clear. Moving on to question number 34 now. The vertices ABC of a triangle 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 2 respectively, then find that angle ABC. Let's draw the triangle first, okay? So let's draw triangle first. This is triangle, right, sir? Okay, they've given the vertices, so let's write that. I have ABC given right here. A is 1, 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, okay, I can write from here, no? Can I? Yeah, let's write A here, 1, 2, 3, okay? And this as B, I write this as C actually. This will be C is going to be 0, 1 and 2. I'll change the B part, don't worry. 1 second. I'll change the B part, excuse me. So B will be, sir, this minus 1, 0 and 0. Have a look. Okay, so A is 1, 2, 3, B is minus 1, 0, 0 and C is 0, 1, 2. They have given here in that order respectively, okay? What are they asking? This angle, ABC. So basically angle between AB and BC will be this angle, okay? If you can find the vector AB and vector BC, apply what, bacha? Dot product to get the answer, correct, no? If I call this to be theta, let's say, okay? We can write here cos theta is nothing but, have a look, vector AB, okay? Vector AB dot with vector BC actually, vector BC upon mod of AB times mod of BC, right? Mod of BC, we can do that. Chaliye, write like this. This is the vectors BA will write, no, not AB, we'll write BA actually. Vector BA, bacha, we have to write that. BA over here, have a look. BA over here, sir. Okay, BA and BC, excuse me. Okay, that is very, very important. Now when you write the BA, how do you write, sir? BA will become, please check, your BA vector will become, with the help of these two coordinates I can find the position vector. So 1 minus 1 will become, sir, 2i cap. Next we have 2 minus 0 will become, sir, plus 2j cap, and the last one will be 3 minus 0 again will be plus 3j cap. BA is done. Again to BC, sir. So I get BC as, please check, 0 minus minus 1 will become, sir, 1 or simply I cap. I have 1 minus 0, sir, again will become plus I cap. Sorry, not I cap. Second is j cap, no? Excuse me. J cap, sir. Okay, third one, 2 minus 0. So 2 k cap. This is again bacha k cap, okay? K cap. Last one is k cap. I cap, j cap, k cap. We want the dot product. Have a look. I'm getting this as cos theta equals to dot of this bacha will become 2 into 1 is 2, or 2 into 1 again bacha becomes 2, and 3 into 2 is 6. With the root of these two, what I get? 4 plus 4 plus 9. With this I get 1 plus 1 plus 4. So nothing but 6 plus 4 is 10 divided by, have a look, 17, and this is going to be 6, right? Okay, the answer is going to be, please check, 10 upon 7 6 is 42, carries 4, 6 1 is 6 plus 4 10, 102. So your value will become bacha cos inverse of 10 upon root of 102. This is nothing but the value of theta. Please check. This is done. Good question. Very good question. Okay, 3 marker worth it. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, so we have here question number 35. Find the area of the rectangle. Rectangle is also parallelogram. Not all the parallelograms are rectangle, right? But all the rectangles are a parallelogram. Okay, so what we can do is simply find the sides. So let's draw it like this. We have ABCD, right? So let's take A over here. We get A as AB, CD like this, right? We have this rectangle A, B, C, D. Okay. A's coordinate is given as bacha. Please check. I can write here minus 1, 1 by 2, and 4. B will be 1, 1 by 2, and 4. For C, I'll have what bacha? For C, I'll have 1, minus 1 by 2. Do I need this? I don't think I need this, but let's just write it anyway. I don't need this, right? Okay. And what is for D, sir? For D, I have minus 1, minus 1 by 2, and 4. Minus 1, minus 1 by 2, and 4. Okay. So to find this area of this figure ABCD, we know that we can take like this. Area of ABCD is nothing but modulus of vector AB cross vector AD. AB cross AD, right? Vector AB cross AD. Let's find the vector AB, bacha. How do you find vector AB, sir? Vector AB will be nothing but 1 minus minus 1, so 2i cap. Please check. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, so plus 0j cap. Then 4 minus 4, so plus 0k cap. AB is done, defined. Let's write now vector AB is done. Let's look for vector AD. Vector AD, let's look for vector AD. So again minus 1 will become 0. Correct? Minus 1 of minus 1, right? Subtracted will become plus 1, no? So 0. Minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2, right? No, it's minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Will become bacha what? Minus 1. J cap, and plus 4 minus 4 will be simply 0 k cap. What is the question? Find the area. Okay. How do you find the area? Using the cross product with the modulus. So find the cross product first. Right here. AB cross AD will turn out to be, have a look, I here, J cap and K cap respectively. What we get? 2 0 0. First one 2 0 0. Second one is 0 minus 1 and 0. Solve this with I cap. What I have, this and this is cancelled, so 0 minus 0, so whole thing is 0. With J cap, what I have, 0 minus 0, again 0. With K cap, what I have, please check. With K cap, what I have, I have minus 2 minus 0. I have, please check, minus 2 minus 0. So I'm getting this answer to be minus 2 k cap. This is nothing but vector AB cross with vector AD. We're looking for the modulus. So right here, AB cross AD modulus will be nothing but root of minus 2 the square. How much is that? How much is that? Simply 2. It's the area, right? So always positive. So we'll take only positive. Square units. Square units. Is that clear? Simple question or not? Very simple. Won't you all agree with me? Moving on to question number 36 now. Please have a look. 36, sir. Find the vector equation of the line passing through the point 1, 2, minus 4 and the perpendicular to the two lines. Okay, great. So we are looking for a vector. Let's call the vector to be, let's say, vector R, okay, which is passing through this point, bacha. It means vector A is given, okay, and of course we need a parallel line, which is nothing but that line is perpendicular to these two lines, okay. So let's say this is the vector that they have given here, no, B1. Let's call this B1 to be. Please check 3 minus 16 and 7. This vector, this line L1 is parallel to the vector B1. 3 minus 16 and 7 is the direction ratio of that vector. So write this 3i cap minus 16 j cap plus 7 k cap. Do we need to make any change over here? Of course not. Please check. Coefficient of x, y, z is always 1. If you have coefficient of x, y, z as anything other than 1, you have to change then. I'll repeat myself. If the coefficient of x, y, z in both the equations of the line in the Cartesian form, if it is nothing but 1, then you have to change it. Okay, otherwise if it is 1, then no change. Simply it will remain as it is. So A, B, C. So 3i cap, 16j cap and plus 7k cap. Same way I can write here B2 also. It will turn out to be 3i cap plus 8j cap minus 5k cap. Okay. The so direction, bacha, is nothing but perpendicular to both the lines. How to find perpendicular vector? How to find perpendicular vector? Simply this way, bacha. Vector B1 cross vector B2. So you're gonna find this value. This will be nothing but your vector, let's say vector C. So the resulting answer will be actually A plus lambda times of C. This is your answer, bacha. This is your final answer. So we have the A value actually. The A value is 1i cap, 2j cap and minus 4k cap. Okay. I need to find the value of C over here. Let's just do that. So it will become I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Okay. I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Excuse me what I'm doing. Excuse me. Sorry. Not plus, right? Okay. I cap, j cap, k cap. And the first vector is 3 minus 16 and 7. Second is 3, 8 and minus 5. I can solve this. So vector C is nothing but, please check, I cap will be minus 80, so plus 80 actually. Minus 16 into minus 5 is plus 80. Minus 7, it's a 56. Okay. Minus j cap I'm gonna write. For this I'll have, bacha, minus 15 minus 21. Minus 21. Please check. 5 into 3 is 15. The negative sign, so minus 51. And 3 into 7 is 21. Subtraction will make it negative. Last one is going to be with k. You'll have, please check, 24 plus, it's a 24 plus 16, 3s are 48. 48, right? 8 3s are 24, 3 into 16s are 48. Negative sign is there, that makes it positive because of the subtraction. Okay, that is clear, sir. Vector C will turn out to be, please check, 80 minus 56 is going to be 24. Yes, 24 I cap. Okay, next is I have a minus 36 over here. 5, 1, 6, 2 and 3. Minus 36 with a minus sign. So plus 36 j cap. And the last one, 48 plus 24. 48 plus 28 is 68 plus 4 is 72. 72 k cap. Can we take something common? We can take, sir, I think, okay, 12 only we can take common. 12 we can take common, sir. Yeah. So vector C will actually become 12 I cap, sorry. Excuse me, my mistake. 12 times of 2i cap, no? Yeah. 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. This is your vector C. Okay. Now look for the final answer. So vector R will nothing but A. What is A, bacha? I cap. And there is a plus 2j cap minus 4 k cap. This is this one. Okay, I have a lambda over here, so write this plus lambda times of 12 is there, right? So right here 12 also, and the vector this one 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. Look at the final answer, please. Your final answer will be, have a look, this vector r equals to I cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap. Okay, then you have lambda times of 12, right? I can write another constant for that. Let's write mu. It will become 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. The final answer, please check. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you are getting a different answer, but I don't think you will. Please get the answer like this. Okay, moving on to question number 37 now. I hope this is all visible to you. 37th now. Okay, sir. An urn contains 5 red and 5 black balls. Okay, all right. So we have 5 red and 5 black balls initially. 5 reds and 5 black balls initially. A ball is drawn at random. Its color is noted and returned to the urn. So not shown actually. Moreover, 2 additional balls of the same color are drawn in the urn, and then a ball is drawn at random. Okay, so bacha, I can choose. No, I don't know which option is coming. Okay, I don't know exactly, so I'll have both options here. We'll have both options here. One option is the first ball. This is what bacha, this is called as first draw. This is your first draw. In the first draw, I am getting either a red ball or I'm getting a black ball. Okay, let's call the event to be bacha actually event A and event B. I've already written here black ball. I'll write here black and red. Okay, I write this as event B, event A and event B. Okay, so what is the chance of getting bacha a red ball? P of A will be 5 by 10. How much is that? 1 by 2. How come, sir? 5 reds are there. No, so 5 out of total is 10. So 5 by 10, which is 1 by 2. Same way, probability of the event B will be nothing but 5 by 10. So 1 by 2. This is for the first draw. For the first draw. Now there's some change. Moreover, 2 additional balls of this color. If I choose red color, what happens to the new situation? Please check. Now the case is I'm adding, so I'm returning it back, right? Return to the urn means, is the number changing? No, sir. Right now we still have 5 red and 5 balls of black, but I want to add 2 more. When I chose the red, I'm going to add the same color, so I'll become bacha. So I'll reach over here. Please check. Black will not change because I'm choosing the red color first. It will become 7R. Correct now? 2 additional balls of the same color is added. Okay, so 7R will become, red will become 2 more, right? So 7R. In this case, what will happen? It will change to 5R only, this first part, and black will become 7B. Okay, you'll have 7 black balls, whereas red will be 5 only. Okay, now what are they asking? Probability that the second ball is red only. Okay, so let's call bacha probability that of getting the let's call the event R to be, event R is second ball or second draw is red. Second draw is red. Okay, now I want to find what? Excuse me, I want to find probability of getting a red on the second draw. Red on the second draw. Okay, so this can happen when I am getting this. Please check. I'm getting your this actually first draw red and then red on the second first draw, means after I get this red and then red. Okay, again what I'm getting plus probability of getting the, please check, it'll be black first draw is black, and getting again red on the first draw. Okay, means after the first draw, second draw I'm getting this as red only. Okay, that's my choice. Please check. So my option is first draw you got this as red only, and this you're getting it as black. Okay, in this case what is the red chances of getting the black ball? Okay, have a look. This will turn out to be my final answer. Okay, PA is how much? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 times of getting the red ball after the first draw will become 7 by 12, right? 7 by 12, no? Plus PB will be again bacha 1 by 2, and this will be, sir, getting the red after the first draw will become, sir, same thing, 5 by 12, right? correct, no? In this case, what is the right, bacha? 5 out of 12. In this case, 7 out of 12. Okay, so 5 by 12 for this part, and for this part it is 7 by 12. So I'm getting what? 7 by 24, 5 by 24. Please add it. 7 plus 5 by 24. Correct. 12 into 2 is 24. Have a look. I'm getting this as 12 by 24. How much is that? 1 by 2. This is my final answer. 1 by 2 is my final answer. Please check. Simple. Very simple or not? Just draw the flow and see the answer from your side only. Okay, what is this called as? Total probability. Okay, for the particular event. Okay. Chaliye. 37th is done. Let me erase this now. You don't need to write it. Okay, not part of the answer. This much is enough. This much is enough. This you can sew. Okay, don't just write answers in these 2 steps. Sew this working as well. Okay, chaliye. Moving on to question number 38 now. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Consider the event E 3 heads or 3 tails. Okay, E is 3 heads or 3 tails. So only 2 cases bacha are there. So H or 3 tails. These are 2 cases. Okay, and F is at least 2 heads. F is at least 2 heads. Okay, it means H. Okay, we'll have at least 2. So HHT. Okay, we'll have HTH. We'll have HHT. This is THS. No, HHT and then anything else. Okay, THH is done. We'll have bacha HHH also. How come, sir, this? Please check. How come, sir, this? Because, sir, at least 2 means more than 2 is also okay, right? Minimum of 2. What is the higher part? No, not given. In the case of 3 coin toss, we have the sample space like this only, right? Please check. Tails, 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 head, tails, head, head, and then head, head, head. We write here tails, head, tail, and then what we have? That's it. Head, head, tail. We have H, T, H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are missing 1. H, TH and HTT is mentioned there, bacha. HTT? No, I have not mentioned. This is HHT, no? So I'm mentioning this HTT. Okay? TTH, HTT, THH, and then we have triple H, THT, HHT, and HTH. Okay? So we want to find at least 2, na? Where is at least 2, sir? This one HTH I have taken here. This one HST we have taken here. Okay, this one THS, no, triple H we have taken here. Okay, and THS we have taken here, THH. Please check. So only 4 cases are there. Okay, what about others? G, at most 2 heads. At most means maximum of 2. So we'll remove this part. We'll remove this part and add the single ones also. Okay, at most 2 means 1 is also okay. So we'll write this part first. At most 2. So 2, this, and we'll write this also. And then bacha, wherever is a single head, so TTH, sorry, TTH we have, and okay, actually at most 2 means even 0 is okay, right? So if except for this triple H, everything else will come. TTH is there, TTT is there. Okay, apart from that, TST is there. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? One more. We have HTT. Please check. At most 2 means maximum of 2, minimum is 0 also okay. Okay, so we all will come except for this 3H. Okay, this is your sample space, bacha. This is your sample space. Great. So of the pairs EF, EG and FG, which are independent, please check. If you take bacha E and F, intersection of E and F you take, what is this going to be? We have only thing common, right, which is, have a look, which is this part, bacha. Which is this part, sir. This is the only thing common, right? HHH and HHH. So it's going to be only HHH. How much is that going to be? 1 out of 8. 1 out of 8, sir. Right now, 1 out of 8. What about bacha PE actually? P is nothing but, sir, 2 out of 8. How much is that? 1 by 4. P is 1 by 4. Let's look for PF also. PF will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 out of 8. How much is that? 1 by 2. For it to be independent, we know that PE into PF should be how much? Please check. We have 1 by 4 from here into 1 by 2. We'll get what? 1 by 8. And how much is that equal to? Actually, P intersection of E with F, hence independent events. E and F are, E comma F is the combination of independent events. Independent events. Please check. Please check. So E and F combination will give you independent events because PE intersection with F is coming as 1 by 8. Where, sir? I'll show you over here. Okay, whereas PE into PF is also coming as 1 by 8 over here. Makes sense? Alright. So again, if you take other combination now, what is the other combination? If you take E with G or you take F with G, try it out from your side. It'll be dependent actually. It'll be dependent, sir. You will not get this condition verified. You will not get this condition verified. Please check from your side. Okay. Now I'll move on to question number 39. This is okay, right? This is acceptable? If you have a doubt, you let me know in the comment section. I'll just move on with the question number 39. Okay. Please check. Answer any 4 questions, 5 marker now. Let's see. This question has been asked so many times. Okay. I'll solve it quickly anyway, because it's very, very important actually. This kind of question can be asked. You can see PYQ, any model paper, any paper you have solved, this question is coming in 5 marker. Okay. So I hope this comes in your exams as well. If it is coming, I want to be, somebody who has skipped this question. So please solve this from your side as well. Proving invertible. Okay. For that, let's assume a function g of x, which is nothing but given by, please check, I can write here y minus, or x simply, x minus 3 by 4 only we can write. X minus 3 by 4 only we can write. X minus 3 by 4 is a function, okay, which is invertible. Then what happens, sir? We know this one thing, that fog should be equal to I of n and gof should be equal to the domain. So I of y. Let's find fog. So what is fog, bacha? Please check. Fog is going to be, you write here 4 times of x minus 3 by 4 plus 3 plus 3. So we have assumed this, no? Assuming this. This is our assumption, bacha. This is our assumption, sir. Okay. Chaliye. Then we get 4 times of x minus 3 by 4 plus 3. 4 cancels. I'm getting here 3 also cancels. Simply x. What is x, bacha? Simply x from where? X from the in, sir. Nothing but I'm getting this as in. So I'm getting this fog equals to in. If I can get gof equals to iy. What is iy, sir? For the codomain, I can say the function is invertible, and this is the inverse. Correct now? That's one of the approach. Other way is to find the 1 1 onto function. Find 1 1 function by using fx1 equals to fx2, and find onto function using the change of the variable. You can take x1 equals to anything, and you can basically define the y. First term will be 7 like that. Put here x as 1. It's natural number, no? Put here x as 1. Goes on. Please check. Natural number. So 1, 2. If you take in till n, right? You'll get 7. Then you get another number will be 2 is 8 plus 3, 11. Like that. It'll keep coming. Okay. So please check. It'll just come. It'll be defined properly. No problem. We'll just take this approach. Let's find gof now. Let's find gof now, sir. Okay. So you have too many things. Doesn't make sense. No problem. Gof, sir. So in this place, we'll write this function. What is that? 4x plus 3 minus 3 upon, excuse me. Okay, I'm defining this in terms of, let's say, y. Okay, excuse me. Okay, I wrote this as x, no? Let's write it as y only, bacha. Okay. It'll become 4y plus 3 minus 3. Okay, divided by, what is this? Will be 4 only, right? We'll get this and this cancelled. What I have? 4y upon 4 and cancelled. I'm getting here y actually. I'm getting here y actually. How much is that? Y belongs from? Y belongs to, bacha, which set? This set, codomain. So I can write this as equals to iy, sir. Equals to iy. So just change this variable, okay? The variable you can change. I can change back to the variable x at the last. I'll show you how. But right now, just take this as y only. Not a problem. Okay. So I'm getting this fog as in and gof as iy, sir. Okay. Hence, the function fx is invertible. Okay, invertible. And what we do, bacha? Please check. What we do is write the inverse function. Inverse of fx would be, bacha. We have written this in terms of g of y, no? Write in terms of x only. So g of x only you can write. Will be nothing but x minus 3 by 4. X minus 3 by 4. Please check. Other approach, as I said, find one function, putting fx1 equals to fx2. If you get x1 equals to x2 means it's 1 1. Again, for onto function, what you're gonna do? Just take this function 4x plus 3 and take the y values. Okay, for any x you take y value. You're gonna get the y values will be, let's say you take x as 1, it's going to be 7. X as 2, you're gonna get what, 11, like that, and that will be actually your, define the set y. You're gonna get the same thing. So it means for every x you have a y. It means onto also. Okay, please check. 39th is done. Okay, moving on now. Question number 40. Okay, one thing, there's a change over here, bacha. There's a mistake, I think. I don't know how this happened, but please have a look. B plus C, not possible, sir. Not possible, sir. You can't solve this, can you? You can't solve this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell you what. Please check. Order of B, sir. Order of B, sir. 3 cross 3 matrix, and order of C, bacha, is going to be 3 cross 1 matrix. Can you solve it, sir? Of course not. Okay, can you add B and C, bacha? Can you add B and C? You cannot. Okay, you can multiply AB and AC, but you cannot add B and C, can you? No. So what you can do is rather take A plus B times of C. A plus B, add these two, you can add that and then multiply with C. That is okay. So please try, do this part instead of this. No, do this part. Okay, and then verify this. Verify AC plus BC equals to A plus B times of C. So find, I'm asking you to find what? AC BC. Okay, find AC BC, add them and verify with this. What is this property, beta? Distributive property of, okay, matrix multiplication. Please check. Okay, we'll move on now. I'm asking you to solve it. Solve it from your side, please. Solve. Okay, and what are you gonna comment? Got it right, sir. Got it right, sir. GIR. I know you will. Okay, I think I've done this kind of question, right? I've done this question in one of my sessions, maybe long back, but I've done it. Okay, what is this now? Solve this following system of linear equations by matrix method. Okay, let's do it. How can we solve it, sir? So we'll take this first matrix like this, AX equals to B. Okay, Acha, before that, let me change this equation, sir. I can write this as x minus 2y minus z equals to 3 by 2, na? Cross multiply. 2x minus 4 by minus 4, sorry, minus 2z, right? This is z, no? Excuse me. Minus 2z minus 2z equals to 3. Okay, now take the matrix, bacha. It'll become 2 1 1, then will be 2 minus 4 minus 2. From here I have 0 3 minus 5. This with what I have, please check. This with I have x, y and z. Okay, and this will be equal to how much? The matrix is given as 1. I've changed this, so I'll write here as 3 only, 3, and write this as simply 9. 1 3 and 9. Okay, 1 3 and 9. I've changed that. I've changed the second equation, that's why I'm writing it like this. Okay, chaliye. So once I have this, I want to find x, I need to find the inverse of this. So for that I will first find determinant of A. Okay, determinant of A. All right, so when you do that, you're gonna get this as, please check, 2 times of minus 20, so 20 plus 6, 26. Okay, 2 times of 20, and this will be coming as plus 6 actually. Okay, then you'll have, bacha, have a look, you'll have this as minus 1 times of, this is cancelled, minus 10, and this is 0, right? Okay, so minus 10 only. Okay, minus 10 itself. Great. What now? Plus 1 is there. With this I'm going to get this as 6. So this value is coming as, please check, this value is coming as what, bacha? This is 26, no, so 52. Okay, I have plus 10 and I have here plus 6. Is it plus 6 actually? Yeah, plus 6 only, no? 1 times of 3 times 2 is 6 only. So I get 58 plus is 68, sir. 68, bacha. This is 68, which is not equal to 0. I get not equal to 0 means I can find the adjoint of the matrix. How do you find adjoint of the matrix, sir? I've taught you this. Write the matrix once again. 2 1 1. Okay, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 0 3 and 5. Okay, and write the same columns again. 2 1 1, same rows. Here also you write again same thing, 2 minus 4 and minus 2. Repeat the columns once again. 2 2 0 2 2 what I get? 1, minus 4, 3, 1 and minus 4. Okay, cancel the first row, first column, and then start solving for the adjoint. Let's see. So we'll get this like this. Have a look. It'll become, so first one like this, minus 20 and minus 20 and what is it? Okay, I missed it. It's a minus 5. No, I missed it. I made a mistake, sir. Excuse me. It's a minus 5, bacha. Okay, have a look. Minus 4, minus 2, no, and then 3 and minus 5. Okay, so I get this as, excuse me, I get this as 20 plus 6. So 26. Okay. All right, next bacha will become, I'm gonna get this as, have a look, 3 minus of minus 5, so 8, 3 plus 8, okay, and then I'll get this as, have a look, 3 plus 8, 3 plus 8, and then I have the last one is minus 2 plus 4, so simply 2, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, okay, it'll become plus 4, so simply plus 2, okay, like that you can solve it, you'll get this adjoint value, okay. This is going to be your adjoint of the matrix A, and the A inverse will become what, bacha? A inverse will become, so please check, A inverse will become this value, what you're getting, this matrix, basically adjoint of this matrix divided by 68, okay, and then multiply simply this value. How do you solve it, sir? X equals to A inverse times of matrix B, sir. A inverse of matrix B. 1 second, doesn't look right, I'll just change that. Yeah, A inverse of matrix B. Okay, let me know the answers for X. Okay, the values of X, Y and Z, I'm leaving it for you. You have to give me the answers, bacha. Solve it. I've solved so many questions like this. I wanted to solve this question. Very, very important. Okay, solve me and give me the answer. I'll just reply to you whether it is right or not. Okay, chaliye. So solve it. Please solve it and get me the right answer. 41 is done. Moving on to question number 42 now. I've given everything that is you need almost. How to find adjoint. I've given you what this value as well, 68. Once you find this value, divide by 68. Okay, and then multiply that to the matrix B 139. You get the answer. Leave it to me, okay, in the comment section. 41 is done. 42 now. If X equals to A cos T plus T sin T and Y equals to A sin T minus T cos T, find second derivative, okay, of dy by dx. For that I need to find what, bacha? Dy by dx first. Okay, so how do you find the dy by dx? Okay, you find it like this, parametric form. So you write it like this, dy by dt upon dx by dt. Once you get this answer, you can second derivative you can take from here only, not a problem, correct now? So let's just do that. Dy by dt, bacha, it'll turn out to be, please check, dy by dt I'll write first. It'll become, A is the constant outside, let's keep it like this. Sine will become cos, okay. Over here I'll have minus, t will be simply 1, so I have cos t, and then I have plus sine, simply t you keep, and you get here minus sine t. Okay, so this cos and cos is cancelled. I'm ending up with a t, minus and minus makes plus, so a t sine t. This is my dy by dt. Dy by dt. Let's find again dx by dt. Okay, very simple, same approach, exact same approach, sir. Please check. What do we have? A is a constant, keep it outside. And then for cos you'll have minus sine t. Okay, and this time what are you gonna do? Keep a plus sign as it is, differentiate t, you're gonna get this as 1 times of sine t plus sine, keep t as it is, you get this as cos of t, okay, minus sine plus sine cancels, I'm ending up with a t cos of t, okay, this is nothing but dx by dt, please check, dx by dt, sir, okay. What is the answer now? Please check. I can take this dy by dx equals to, sir, dy by dx equals to, sir, have a look, I'm getting this as at sin t divided by at cos t. So at gone, I get here simply tan t, sir, okay. Now this is the value that I have so far, dy by dx equals to tan t. Differentiate this now, what are you gonna get? d square y upon dx square equals to sec square t dt by dx. Find the dt by dx value. How do you find that? From here. So do we have dx by dt value already? Please check. So from here you can write. So dt by dx will become, have a look, 1 upon at cos t. 1 upon at cos t. So right here, sec square t into 1 upon at cos t. 1 upon at cos t. This cos will go up, it will become again sec cube, right? So you'll have this as sec cube t upon at. This is your answer. D square y upon dx square. Please check and let me know what you're getting. So from your side, let me know if you're getting the same answer. Have a look. This is clear, right? Okay, this is clear, so shall I move on to next question? Of course, 1 second, just a second, have a look once again, and then I'll move on. 43 now. Integral of x power 4, x minus 1, x square plus 1. Okay, it's a very good question, bacha. Very good question. Okay, think about it. We have, sir, here power more, right? This is not proper fraction. This is not a proper rational fraction, is it? The power is x power 4 over here, power is 3. I have to divide it. I have to do the division actually. For that, what are you going to do first? First step would be, bacha, to multiply the factors inside. Basically in the denominator. X minus 1 I have, x square plus 1. Okay? We know this, right? We use the partial fractions whenever you have proper rationals, okay? Okay, so let's do this. You're going to get this as x cube plus x minus x square and minus 1. So I get here x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. Okay, we have to do the division, bacha. We have to do the division. Please have a look here. So I'm going to get this as, please check, x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 dividing x power 4. Okay, so I'll take with x actually. What I'm going to get? I'm going to get this as x power 4 minus x cube. I get plus x square minus x. Sign change, minus plus minus plus. This and this is cancelled. I get here x cube minus x square plus x. Okay, plus x. Now do one thing, multiply with plus 1, right? What I'm going to get? I'm going to get this as x cube. Okay, x cube minus x square plus x and minus 1. Sign change now, minus plus minus plus. This is cancelled, this is cancelled, this is cancelled. I have only what left? 1. Okay, so basically, how can I write this, bacha? I can write this as, remember, please check, I can write this as this fraction. If I call this to be, let's say, integration I, this to be integration I. Okay, how do you write this, sir? You can write this as x power 4 upon x minus 1 times of x square plus 1 equals to, what do you have? You have x plus 1 divided by the same thing, of course. Okay, that is gone, no? That is not required anymore. We have already taken the divisor, right? That is quotient free. Okay, so x plus 1 as it is, and plus sign will come, of course, 1 upon this part now. 1 upon this part now. So I can write this, actually this whole thing in terms of this x square plus 1 times of x minus 1. X minus 1. What is this, sir? Same thing. I don't want to expand it. Keep it like this. I can take this part's partial fraction now. Okay. So this will turn out to be, please check, like this. Now I can write this integration as, okay, before that I have to find the constant values, right? So it will become, bacha, please check. I'll take only for this part now. What I have, 1 upon x square plus 1 times of x minus 1 ax plus b upon x square plus 1. How come, sir? There's a quadratic term here, that's why there's a linear term in the numerator. Okay, plus there's a c, right? Another constant, c upon, please check, x minus 1. Solve this. You're gonna get the values of a, b, c as, a will be coming as minus 1 by 2, b will come as minus 1 by 2, and c will come as plus 1 by 2. Solve it. How do you solve it, sir? LCM you take, then solve for, put the values of x, different values of x, and find the value of a, b, c. Okay. You get this as minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. After this, what is going to be the question? Sir, integration I will become very simple. Okay, have a look. Integral of x plus 1 dx. Okay, then I'll have plus integral of, first of all will be what? Minus 1 by 2, no? So let's write this as minus only. That is a minus only. Okay, minus 1 by 2, we have this as 2, okay, x square plus 1, no? We can separate this. It will become x upon x square plus 1, okay? Then bacha we will have again minus 1 by 2, simply x square plus 1, okay? Of course, then you'll have plus 1 by 2 x minus 1, integration will be there for this also, and we'll have a complete integration with dx. What are you going to get? This simple polynomial x square by 2 plus x will be bacha what? You can take x square plus 1 as t, it will become log of something. Please check, if you replace this with t, it will become, differentiation is given here, no? X. If you differentiate this as, please check, if you take this part, I'll show you how to do it. You have to do from your side. If you take this x square plus 1 as t, what is the derivative? 2x dx equals to dt, है ना? So I can write x dx equals to dt by 2, it will become dt by 4, already 2 is there, no? dt by 4 will become, and you can write here 1 by t, it will become log t by 4. So basically log of x square plus 1 by 4 is the result of this. What about this bacha? Simply tan inverse of x. What about this, sir? Log of x minus 1. Okay, so I've given you the result over here. Find the final answer. Comment your final answer. Comment final answer. Please do that bacha. Okay, I can tell you again, x square by 2 plus x. For this part you'll have 1 by 4 log of x square plus 1. For this you'll have minus 1 by 2 tan inverse of x. For this you'll have 1 by 2 log of x minus 1. Okay, please check. Okay, 43 is done. 44 now. Okay, 44 bacha. 43 you can do, right? I've given you everything that you need to solve the 43 question. Okay, 44 I've done so many times. I'll show you the working how to do it, but not all the answers. So why are you doing like this? But I've done these questions a lot of times. Okay, I don't want to take a lot of your time, so that's why I wanted to give you instructions, but very a precise instruction, not like just giving you this is the way you do it and skip. No, I'll give you all the steps that you need, and I'll give you the answer also. Okay, don't worry. So find the area of the region bounded by the line. Okay, draw the line, sir. First, when x is 0, y is 2. X is 0, y is 2. When y is 0, x is minus 2 by 3. This is the curve. Okay, not perfect actually. So I'll ignore this point and write it over here only. What I'm getting now, please check. So they are saying that take the area from minus 1 to 1, sir. Just call this point to be 1. This call the point to be minus 1. This is the what, bacha? Minus 2 by 3, no? Minus 2 by 3, sir. Okay, so basically you have to integrate this function minus 2 by 3 from where, bacha? To 1. Sorry, excuse me, ulta. Okay, I have to do this part first, no? I have to do the negative part first. Okay, so my area actually is area of integration is over here, bacha. Please check. This is my area, right? So I have to write it like this. Integration of what is it going to be? 3x plus 2. Okay, from where to where? From minus 1 to minus 2 by 3. This has to be taken under modulus. How come, sir? But this area will come as negative, that's why. Area has to be always positive, that's why I'm taking this modulus over here. Okay, and of course you'll have a dx, of course, in this case, and then plus minus 2 by 3 from this point is positive area to 1. 3x plus 2, sir. Okay, you can open the modulus, no, not a problem. I'll open with a minus sign. Just open with a minus sign, that's it. Over here, this is negative, right? So open with a minus sign. Just remove the modulus and take a minus sign over here outside. Your answer will be positive. So this part actually will come as, if I take this as part, let's say integration of part 1. This is part 2 integration. Okay, so I'm getting, bacha, actually, 1 second. I can write better. 1 second, sir. This is basically I2. So you're going to get I1 as, if you remember, I1 as 1 by 6 and I2 will be coming as 25 by 6. If you add them, you get I1 plus I2 will be 26 by 6, nothing but, remember this, 13 by 3 will become, bacha, 13 by 3 square units. 13 by 3 square units, sir. Please cross check, okay? Check it. Let me know I know you can't do a mistake in this. Very simple question, extremely simple question in the area of curve, under the curve, okay, in AOI. Chaliye, 44th is done. Moving on to 45th now. Okay, find the equation of a curve passing through the origin. Given that the slope of a tangent of the curve at any point is equal to the sum. Okay, slope is given to the sum. Slope is given equal to sum of the coordinates. So basically x plus y. Basically x plus y. We get what from here? We get LDE from here, linear differential equation from here. So write like this. I get here, sir, dy by dx. Take here the y term on this side. Minus y equals to x, sir. This is my LDE with the independent variable x and dependent variable y. What is the p value from here? -1. Compare. Q value is x. Q value is x. Okay. So my IF will become e power -1 dx, nothing but e power minus x. This is my IF. This is my integrating factor. What is the solution? What is the solution? Y times of this thing, e power minus x, equals to integration of q, x times of e power minus x dx, sir. E power minus x dx, sir. Okay, we can solve this by parts. Let's apply this and solve. What I'm gonna get? Have a look. I have this as it is. So y times of e power minus x over here. Excuse me. E power minus x over here on the left hand side equals to, I can take this as function number. I let, right? E is the last function, last order, last preference. This is first function. ILATE. A comes first. So keep function x as it is. Integrate e power x. You're gonna get this as e power minus x upon -1. Minus sign will come again. Now what you'll have? You will have this as, please check. You'll have this. Excuse me. There will be integration over here, of course. Differentiate x, you're going to get this as 1. Integrate this once again. You're going to get e power minus x upon -1. There will be a dx once again. Please check. Okay. So what I'm getting now? I'm getting here x times of, one second. 2 brackets are extra over here. So just remove this, put a sign clearly. Okay. So what I'm getting, bacha, x times of, minus x times of e power minus x. Okay. Minus sign is there. Again, same thing will come. So e power minus x divided by, there was a minus sign, no, -1. I write one more time -1. Okay. And you'll have a plus c, of course, for the constant of integration. It will become x e power minus x. And you'll have minus e power minus x. And you'll have plus c over here. Okay. Plus c over here. Y times of e power minus x. Divide everything by e power x. Or you can take common first. It will become e power minus x is common. This is going to be, this is a minus x over here. Okay. It will become minus x minus 1 plus c. Minus x minus 1 plus c. Okay. So I'm getting this as, please check. If you divide this, cancel, and this will become e power minus x. Okay. So what I have, y equals to minus x minus 1. Alright. Plus c times of e power x. So plus c times of e power x. Basically, y plus x plus 1 equals to c power, what do you call? C into e power x. This is your solution. Is it final answer, sir? Of course not. How come, sir? They have mentioned bacha origin over here. It means they have given x and y value. So they are looking for a particular solution. Okay. So we have to find that. Let's just write this equation on this side. Y plus x plus 1 equals to c times of e power x. They have given the coordinate as origin, right? So x is 0 and y is 0. X is 0 and y is 0. Everything right? Okay. If I made any mistake, let me know. Okay. I hope you can see this. Please check. This is all visible, right? Take a second, have a look. Okay. So put here x is 0 means 0 plus 1 equals to c times of e power 0. It means 1 equals to c. So I'm getting c value as 1. What I get now, please check. Y plus x plus 1 equals to e power x. This is the answer, bacha. Please check. I'm getting a different answer. Okay. Okay. Please check. I hope this is right. If something is wrong, let me know. Okay. I'll cross verify. I'll cross check this question. I'm not sure for the answer. I've not solved this question very recently, so I'm not sure. I've not seen any of the answer because what happens, no, in the model paper some questions have been wrong. So okay, I'm not sure. All the answers are not given as well. So you just solve this question and let me know whether it is right or not. I want your comment. Okay, please comment. So comment the answer for question number 45. It's a request from my side. Please do that, bacha. Solve and comment. You are getting the same value? Okay. Please check. I will also cross verify from my end. Okay. Chaliye. Moving on now to section E, where we have two questions. We'll solve them quickly. Okay. First part we have done so many times, sir, but I'll solve it again. Very important 6 marker. No, I'll not skip it. What is there, sir? For even or odd function, you define this question. Okay. How do you solve it? 46a. Please check. 46a, sir. Okay. Define the function like this. Minus a to a using the property of definite integral. Okay. Fx dx. I can write this function simply as, please check, minus a to 0 f of x dx, then plus sign will come 0 to a f of x dx. Now splitting the limits from minus 0 a to 0 and 0 to a, the property of definite integral, not a problem. Okay. Now what we're going to do, take this as, let's say, integration number 1. Okay, because this part we need, 0 to a part we need. We have to make the changes over here only. How can we do that, sir? How can we do that, sir? Very simply, bacha. Take this over here. Minus a to 0 fx dx is there, right? In this function, what you do? Substitution, you take x equals to minus t, you take. Substitution is x equals to minus t. What is, bacha, then derivative? From here you take dx equals to minus dt. Correct, na? And limit change, when x is minus a, t will become a. Also when x is 0, t will be 0. So I've done all the things over here. Substitution is this. Please check. This is my substitution, bacha. This is my substitution, sir. I've changed the derivative also. Dx to dt will be minus dt. Okay. And the limit also is changed. So my integration I1, have a look. So my integration I1 will be now from where to where, sir? From a to 0, I have f of minus t, and I will be having dt with a negative sign. So I'm writing the negative sign over here. Another property of definite integral, sir, if there's a minus sign, I can basically interchange the limits, right? So this will turn out to be, I1 will become, please check, it will become, sir, 0 to a, changing the limits with the help of negative sign, f of minus t and dt. Again, what we can do, property of definite integral, changing what? The variable. I can write any variable now for the integrals. Okay, so right here I1 equals to, bacha, 0 to a f of minus x dx. This is your I1 now. Okay, now what we had actually, please check. So we had this integration I as integration of minus a to a, minus a to a f of x dx equals to, what we wrote? What was it? I1 was it? No, I can write this as I1 now. 0 to a f of minus x, please check, dx plus 0 to a f of x dx, f of x dx. Okay, now I'll do for both even and odd function. For even function, sir, what happens for even function? Please check. For even function, we know f of minus x is nothing but f of x, na? So this whole thing will become, please check, positive only. So this integration I will become what, sir? 2 times of this plus this. I'll repeat myself. For even function, f of minus x is f of x. Okay, so this and this will be same thing, right? It doesn't look like it. I'll just change that part. Looks like the x only, right? So I'll just change this. This is minus x, bacha. This is minus x, sir. Okay, so it will become f of x plus f of x. So it will be what? 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx. But in the case of odd function, what happens, bacha? When fx is odd, f of minus x will become, sir, minus f of x. So what I'll have? I'll have a negative sign over here. I'll have this as negative sign. So plus minus will become, bacha, 0. So integration I will become, sir, 0, sir. Please check. Done. First part is proven. First part is proven, even and odd. Done. All right. What we have next now? Evaluate. Okay. Second part of this. Evaluate minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine power 7 x dx. Am I right? Please check. Sine power x dx. Okay. Yes. Sine power 7x dx. Okay. No problem. Right here, bacha, sine of. So if I take this function fx as sine 7x, okay, sine power 7x, f of minus x will be, bacha, what? Please check. F of minus x. F of minus x will be, please check 1 second, it will become sine minus x, the power 7 will become minus sine x power 7 will become minus sine of 7x will be negative of fx, sir, negative of fx. It means it's an odd function, hence fx is odd. And what happens for odd function, bacha? Will be simply 0. From minus a to a will be 0. So this answer will become simply, sir, 0. Please check. Odd function, no? So 0. Done. From here, please check. 6 marker question, very important. Okay. Next, sir, again you are having the LPP. Objective function is given here, x plus 2y. Let me write that first. So z is given as x plus 2y. Okay. Let's draw the plane first. We have here x, we have here y. What are the constraints given, bacha? Write the constraints again. We have x plus 2y greater than 100. So x plus 2y greater than equal to 100. Second constraint they have given as 2x minus y less than 0. Okay. 2x minus y less than 0. Okay, what else? We have, sir, 2x plus y less than 200. 2x plus y less than 200. And of course, other is there, x greater than 0 and y greater than equal to 0. The non-negative constraint. The non-negative constraint is given here. Okay. Chaliye. So x plus 2y greater than 0, greater than 100, and 2x plus y less than 200. Okay. That's the basic two more main equations. What I'm gonna do? Take the first one from here. X plus 2y without the inequality you take equal to 100. When x is 0, bacha, y is 50. When y is 0, x is 100. The points are over here. Please check. Over here like this. I can write like this. All right. Great. Okay. What else now? We have for the second equation 2x plus y is equal to 200, sir. So when x is 0 for this one, please check. When x is 0, what I get y as 200. Y is going to be 200, sir. And when y is 0, I get x as 100 again. X as 100 again. So again my points are over here. Please check. Like this only. It'll be going like this. Okay. Now I can write the points coordinates for these two. I have over here as 0, 50. This is going to be 0, 200. And this is going to be what, bacha? 100, 0. Okay. Now let's look at the conditions. X plus 2y greater than 100, right? So above this line. Correct, no? Above this line, right? For this, bacha, we have less than, right? It means below this line. Okay. Below this line. Okay. We have another equation. 2x minus y greater than or equal to 0 actually. 2x minus y equal to 0 if you put, the curve will be like this, sir. Okay. We want x to be, sir, less than y, no? X to be less than y. Okay. So somewhere over here, this is my feasible reason. Please check. This is my feasible reason, sir. Okay. I have the two coordinate points 0, 200, 0, 50. Okay. Please check. Right, no, 2x should be less than y, no? Correct. Okay, sir. So we'll get above only. We'll get above only. Okay. Correct. So we get this condition. This is my feasible reason. Feasible reason, sir. All right. Now we now need the points coordinate for. Let's check over here. I'll write it now. This is my, let's say, point A. I already know. This is my point A. This is, let's say, point B. Let's call this to be point C, and let's call this to be point D, sir. I need the both coordinates of C and D. That's my coordinate point, right? How do you find it? The equations we know, right? This is going to be 2x equals to y. 2x equals to y, sir. Okay. Let's put this over here in the first equation. What I'm gonna getting? So 2x equals to y, no? So I can write it simply this as x, or I can write this as x plus 2 times of 2x, no? Equals to 100. Please check. Y is 2x, right? Y is 2x means 2 times of 2x will be 4x. 4x plus x is 5x. 5x is 100 means, bacha, x is 20, sir. X is 20 means, sir, y is going to be 40. This point is, what is it, sir? 20, 40. Okay. What about the C point? Please check. C point will become, with the second equation, please check. I'm getting 2x plus y. Y is 2x, no? So we have 2x plus y equal to 200. In this you put 2x plus 2x equals to 200. 4x equals to, bacha, 4x equals to, sir, what I am getting as 200 means x equals to 50. And y will be equal to what, sir? Y will be equal to 100. Y will be equal to 100. Have a look. Y will be equal to 100. Okay. I think I've taken the, okay, the point is incorrect, okay. I have to take this point again. 50 into 100 bacha. Of course, I've taken the ulta line. Not a problem. This point is not here. This point is actually over here, sir. Yes, no, just 1 second. One mistake I've done. This is 20, 40 bacha. Please check equation. I have not written properly, no. X plus 2y, this is equal to 100. Now this line is this, okay, and this is the other line, okay. So for this line, bacha, this is the point. 20, 40 is for this point, okay. And for this point, what is the point over here? 50, 100. 50, 100. Just one mistake, okay. I just took this point over here, change it. 20, 40 and 50, 100. Write the coordinate points here. The coordinate points and the objective function. First, have a look of all of this. First coordinate point is 0, 50, 0, 200. So right here, 0, 50, excuse me, and 0, 200. And the next two is 20, 40 and 50, 100. 20, 40 and 50, 100. So what about z, bacha? Z is nothing but, please check, x plus 2y. I'll just cross check 1 second from the question also. X plus 2y I have. X plus 2y. Great. 1 second. X plus 2y. Doesn't look like it. I'll just rewrite it. Okay. X plus 2y. Let's calculate now. What I'm getting? 2 into 50. So 100 for this part. 2 into 200. So 400 for this part. Okay. And for this I'm gonna get x is 20. So 20 plus 80. So again 100 bacha. Correct now? X into 2, x is 20 and y is 40, right? So 40 into 2 is 20. Sorry, 80. 80 plus 20 is 100. 50 over here. Excuse me, not 500, 50. 50, sir. All right. This is 50, sir. Okay. So 50 plus 2 into 200, again 250. So 200. 250 over here, and this is going to be, I've already written here, 100 is the value. So minimum, what are they asking in the question? Please check. Minimize and maximize. Okay. Minimize and maximize. So your maxima, Z max actually is nothing but 400 at when bacha? When the coordinate is 0, 200. 0, 200. Whereas your Z minima is nothing but 100. Okay. And where is it? Point joining the line, points on the line 0, 50 and 20, 40, right? 0, 50 and 20, 40. Okay. So on all the points joining the line, where is it? On all the points on the line joining what bacha? Joining 0, 50 and 20, 40. 0, 50 and 20, 40. Please check. So on all these points over here, we'll have the minimum value as 100, sir. We'll have the minimum value as 100, sir. Please check. This is clear, right? All this is clear. This part also. Very simple question. This is 6 marker, so please don't make mistake in this. Keep practicing it. Very important. Okay. Next, what we have, sir? Question number 47. This bacha, I have done some work already. Why, sir? To save some time over here. What is it? If matrix A is given here, they ask me to prove this condition, then evaluate A inverse. Okay. So what we're gonna do? Find A cube. I have taken this A cube as already. A cube and A square value. Please check here. A square I have taken as bacha. A into A. If you do, you're gonna get this as 6 minus 5. 5. Do one thing. Multiply. Pause the video, multiply right now, you're going to get this result only. 6 minus 5, I've done and written it over here. Same thing I've done here for A cube also. A cube I've got, A cube square I've got, okay. And then find 6A square. Multiply this 6 into 6. 6 into minus 5, like that I've done. This is my A6A square matrix. And I've got 9A also. 18 minus 9, like that. Multiplying 9 to this, okay. 9 to the 18, 9 into minus 1 is the minus 9, like that. Got 9A as well. And I've got 4I also. 4, 0, 0. Only diagonal is 4, extra is 0. Why I've done that? I want to verify for all of you. Please check. Okay. So I want to verify the LHS part. Over here only. Okay. Have a look. A cube 22 minus 36. 22 minus 36. Okay. Minus 18. Sorry. Yeah, plus 18. So let's add the positive and subtract the negatives. Positive is, sir, this, excuse me, this is positive. So let's take that together. 22 plus 18, how much is that? 40. Okay, and the negatives, 36 and 4, 40 again. The difference will be 0, sir. I'll repeat myself. I'll take positives together and negatives together and then subtract them. Okay, what I have, positives are a cube and 9a. Okay, a cube is, sir, 22 and 9 is, say, 18. So add them. How much is that? 40 minus 36 plus 4 will be again 40. So 0. Second term, please check. Minus 21 and minus 9. How much is that? Minus 30. What about this? Simply minus 30 and 0. Okay, please check. There's a minus sign, of course. It'll make plus. Before this 6a square, there's a minus sign, but I'll make plus. No, this is minus 30. We have minus 21 minus 9. So minus 30. There's a minus 6a square. There's a minus 6a square. It'll become plus 30. Again 0. Again you check. Next term, bacha, we have 21 over here. 21 plus 9 is 30. What we have over here? 30 will become negative because of the subtraction. 0. Solve it, you're gonna get this all 0, sir. I've written all the values over here. Please check for a cube, 6a square, 9a and 4i. Subtract it, you're gonna get this result. Verified, bacha. Will be equal to actually RHS. Have a look. Okay, will be equal to RHS. Chaliye. 1 second. Will be equal to RHS. Great, sir. Shall I move on now? And once you do that, no, you're gonna get this A inverse. How can you find this, sir? I'll show you this part actually. What is it? A cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i equal to 0 I have, right? That's what I have. Please check. That's what I have. Correct. Move this on this side. What am I getting? A cube minus 6a square plus 9a equals to 4i. Multiply A inverse on all of the sides. We get here A inverse A cube minus 6 A inverse A square plus 9 A inverse A and 9, sorry, 4 A inverse I. What I get now? This is nothing but A square minus 6A. Okay, A inverse of A will be cancelled. No, you have only one A left. That's why 6A plus 9I equals to 4A inverse. Okay, bring this 4 on this side. You're gonna get what? 1 by 4 A square minus 6A plus 9I equals to A inverse. When you do that, bacha, you get the result as, please check this value. This I've written here. This is your answer. Please check. I've written it because I wanted to save some time. Very lengthy, though. This question is very lengthy. Okay, sorry, but it's 6 marks worth. You have to solve it in the examination. Okay. Chaliye. Now, so this is it. Asha, before that, I have one more question. I forgot. I have one more question. I thought I've taken this question, I know, at the snip over here, but I have not. The question is written over here only. Excuse me, forgive me. This is your question, bacha. 47 or I have to solve this, no? Right. So let me just, how do you solve this question, sir? Limit should be equal to the function value. Correct, now? 1 second. For the function to be continuous, sir, we know this. Limit of the function fx at x tends to pi by 2 should be equal to function value at pi by 2, sir. Agreed? Okay, chaliye. Now we're gonna solve this. Okay, sir. So we write this again. So your limit value, acha. I can take limit to be, let's say, LHL also, no? I can take the limit to be, in this case, LHL. I have taught you with L'Hopital rule already. This question I have taught you so many times with L'Hopital rule. I want to teach you this again with the help of left hand limit. Let's see how can we solve it. So we'll use left hand limit over here. Now what we can do, please check. We're gonna take this only function, no? So write this first. K cos x pi by 2 minus x, I think, right? Pi minus 2x or pi by 2 minus x. How much is that? Pi minus 2x, okay? Excuse me. Pi minus 2x, okay? Pi minus 2x. All right. Excuse me, sir. Pi minus 2x is there. All right. Limit of this we want to find out when x tends to pi by 2, and this should be equal to f of pi by 2. This is not a problem. This is given as, bacha, 3 actually. This is not a problem. F of pi by 2 is given as 3. Please check. This is given as 3, sir. Pi by 2 is 3. Function value at pi by 2 is 3. That's not a problem. Okay. Great, sir. Can we check now, right now, limit value? So over here, limit will be k cos x upon pi minus 2x. When we put x equals to pi by 2, what will happen? It will become, sir, 0 upon 0. Please check. It will become 0 upon 0, sir. 2 into pi by 2 will become, bacha, again pi and pi is 0, cos pi by 2 is 0. So this is a indeterminate form. How can you solve it? I told you to use L'Hopital rule. I'm going to teach you today with your left hand limit also. Please check. What do you do for left hand limit, sir? Limit. Okay, I'm trying to find for LHL. You apply pi by 2 minus h in this case. Pi by 2 minus h in this case, not visible. I can change that. Okay. What I'm asking you to do is simply apply this condition, pi by 2 minus h condition. Okay, replace x with this condition. You're going to become what? You'll have this as h tends to 0, of course. Please check. Not sure? Replace this, pi by 2 minus h tends to pi by 2, bacha. This and this is cancelled, sir. What is happening here? H tends to 0, sir. Okay. Okay. K cos of pi by 2 minus h divided by pi minus 2 times of pi by 2 minus h. Okay. Chaliye. What I have now? K cos of pi by 2 minus h is how much, bacha? So this will become, have a look. This is the steps that we have. K will be K only. Cos pi by 2 minus h, so first quadrant, it will become sine only, right? Positive value, so sine h divided by what I have, 2 and 2 is cancelled. I'm getting here pi, and of course you'll have 2 over here. I can cancel that. I cannot cancel like that, sir. Excuse me. Okay, I'll not cancel like this because I have to take the next term also, no? Excuse me, sir. I'm gonna get this as minus pi minus, sorry, plus 2h. Plus 2h. What I'm getting? Pi and pi is cancelled. What I have so far now? Please check. My limit value is k sine h upon 2h when h tends to 0. So right here k by 2 is a constant outside. Limit sine h upon h when h tends to 0, bacha. This is going to be 1, sir. Standard formula. Okay, PU1 we have learnt. K by 2 into 1. This is k by 2 only, no? Now put this equal to what, sir? K by 2 equals to 3, sir, from here. From here. So what I get? I get this k value as 6. No, sir. K value is coming as 6. Please check. So k value is coming as 6. Done. Have a look at the previous ones as well. Okay. Done. This is a 4 marker. Okay. This is your question number 47 or, sir. Okay. Chaliye. So this is done. Let me know if you have missed something. If I have given an answer wrong, let me know that as well. I'll try to cross check from my side. And just this is it, bacha. Your model question paper number 3 is also done. So as promised, we have delivered everything. Now it's your turn to keep working hard and keep improving your in the preparation. So let me know how you're feeling. If you want to talk to me, just leave your queries in the comment section. And don't forget, I keep asking you all the time, please leave your doubts in the comment section. I'll take a session and discuss those doubts in that live session. Okay, I'm here for you to help you out in any way possible for your board's examination. Okay, just be positive, keep working hard. We'll see you very soon. See you again. Bye bye.